Hello friends, YouTube launched AI video generator. Now you can create AI videos using YouTube app. For this, click on open YouTube app, click on this plus icon, and now click on this AI icon. Now you can view there are multiple options for creating AI videos. Create video, make me move, photo to video, background, music. Now we do not need Grok or Google View or something else. Now we can create AI videos using YouTube app. We try this by creating a image first, and after that we will convert this image to. Now we also can select an option, the type, the style. I set the style as a vintage, click on create. I also created some of the videos. I will show the result of that videos. First we will check the image. Each image is different, but the quality is good. No issue, the quality is looking fine, but each image is different. I click on this image and create a video from this image. It takes some time, but after that we will check the result of that video. In the meantime, check created videos. The video is created. The quality of the video is really good, like the background movement and camera movement and eyes blinking, hand movement are fantastic. So it's great. Currently the results are great. We can also save this video, save to device. We can also create a. We can also add text etc. We can add all the things which are available in the YouTube app. So currently the result is good. Thank you.